Ungathatheki ethembisweni temhlaba letingenampumelelo. Cha, akusomalayini ami malayini Sams the Poet. Ngikubengele ngiphinze ngibamukele mbukeli elihlelweni lakho lelithandzako Dandla Nenkondlo libito lami ngingifortunate ngamabuza ngikulethela dona Dandla Nenkondlo lapho utobona khona bosonkondlo bala ekhaya eSwatini kanye nalabo labenda inike yona imisebenzi yeDandla. Namhlanje ehlelweni sina Sams the Poet. Sams the Poet waleshiselwa ngephake kulamalanga ulambabane uthe cha ngento engasala mina nasakhalive ngidawuthi nje inkondlo tamti betimbili tibedintathu emasatata khona kubona ukuthi cha tinkondlo DND ungabese sothi nasesuka ekhaya sofika ngase town bese sothi na hayi mina no poetry ngeke ngize ngisakhona kuyena siyacala siyarapha kana nabo ipoetry hayi ungayende vole asamuve ke Sams the Poet ukuthi usihayila uthini phize usigcugcudela uthini njengabo sonkondlo labe dako
yena niyise bangemathe nelwimi uyise naye batitfupha egwayini yena neyise ungathi bayalamana kanze mbeleni bayanakana kungako langalimbe wade uyise wathi hayi ke ndvodzana ngicela ungamukele ngimi ngingihlo ngudvosa ngendlebe ngicela ungilalele ngipheke ingcondvo yakho sifombe emicondvo ngikuvebele inkulumo yami kawuyati ngako ngivumele ngiwendlalele yebo lapha ekhaya sidla imbuya ngeluthi kepha wena ngiyakucela ungakhathateki noma kadalala itiko lapha ekhaya wena solo ngiyakucela ungakhathateki njengeyihlo kungumsebenzi wami ukuthi mina ngihlale njalo ngikhathalele kangisiko sikhukukati kodwa wena ulintshwele lami ngako ngiyohlala njalo ngikufukamele luthando lwemdali kanamkhawulo naloko bengicela ongangigabathi lapha emhlabeni this world which we live in is so full of wonders kepha na wena ngiyakucela ungakhathateki ungathatheki etithembisweni temhlaba letingenampumelelo kepha ke thatheke etincwadzini takho lokungitona timumethe likusasa lakho lisemaphusheni akho emaphusheni akho akahlali tinhlupheko dalamuhla kepha akuhlamahlame likusasa lelihle nalelichakazile kulendlela lengufaka kiyo ngiyakucela ungaphambuki yona inemanyeva nasemtimbeni utawugcwala tibathi inganovile labanye bosonkondlo basho bathi phazi khala inhlavu khala phansi mawunenhlanhla utawuvuka phasi kephasi ngahle sikugubhele ngaphansi mina emsa wami akawutange sokungive ngikhuluma la George kepha lamuhla kuletami tindzebe sitawuphuma nasi isilumbi. With all that has been said and done, I still remain with only one thing to say. If only I couldn't age, then I wouldn't have to stand backstage and watch my aged MCs to say, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the poet of the age. But in my storage, it feels like I'm being welcomed on the age of the age. But at the end of the day, people need some wage. And at the end of my page, I am Sams the Poet.
Sams the Poet. Ngisho kahle nangisi Sams.
Yebo sisi.
Okay, ngicovusela umbukele ekhaya uthisho uthi ngubani wakabani lokuchamuka kuphi?
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya ligama lami labangipha lona ekhaya ngingisambulo wakadlamini isibongo. Ngichamuka eshiselweni kahlathi esigodini sasemoyeni emphakathi eMbeka. Kwanyalo ke ngiyisesela eMbabane campus la ngifunza khona. Yes, poetry ngayicala I could say roughly 2022 yes because 2022 was the first time ngiyemembe bandlu and recite and that was in Nhlangano Central High School when I was in Form 4. Okay kahle the poetry ngayicala ukuthi bekune competition esikolweni ya dinotaka English so ngangena kanjalo ke nami I first wrote speech because beku competition ye speech then ngaqala kanjalo ke kule nsaba ye poetry.
All right, so nyalo sebenzisana nabo bani bosonkondlo. I want to believe ukuthi solisasebenzisana na OPK.
Oh, of course OPK.
Okay, labanye lo sebenza nabo bobani?
Okay, mostly vele is lama poets asishiselweni bo TJ, bo Comfort, bo Fisiwe, bo Sfiso. Yeah, sibaningi vele sisebenza ngayo. Then lambabane ngifike ngahlangana na TM because nguye vele lo ngisho lo ngixhumanise nawo lelala namuhla. 14 June nje siya enhlangano ePark for Poetry in a Park. and nami-ke ngitabe ngikhona thanks to TM.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lokusho sikhwalo balungisele kona nawe.
Yeah, obviously kukhona le sibalungisele kona for 14 June poetry nepark ishiselwe enhlanga.
Okay. Alright, yini tinkondlo takho utibhala ngani nje? Maybe tihloko lo yaye ufocus kito, phindze ne language ukuthi usebenzisa luphi ilwimi leni.
Okay, ngicala language tinkondlo tami letinengi in English.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the English because vele nangicala nje ngafika poetry ngesingisi because vele bengenta lama competition la English, so ngathanza lesingisi kakhulu. But ke ngenxa ukuthi vele ngihlala nabo OPK bamaswati phaca naleswati sikhona but sincane but sikhona. So there's also the kind of poem I write, they are more motivational poems.
Okay.
Because back at school, especially eMbwane nje, bantu labanengi bengazibo bantu labatethembako. So for me, poetry is somehow indlela yekumotivate umuntu ukuthi despite the situations lesidibana nawe empilweni, there's still hope to survive. So my poems are mostly motivational poems. This is not a full stop. This is a capital letter symbolizing the beginning of the long anticipated journey of individuality. Because we were born by bold brothers and sisters of a not so broad community in a society of calamity. We wouldn't mind being categorized into stupidity. From curiosity and passion, our parents were always mad, but always made sure we never make the same mistakes they made in puberty. This is not a full stop, this is a comma. This is a pause commanding you to breathe. This is where you seize every opportunity with ease. This is not a pause, you're not here for pictures. I hope you get the picture. This is a pause commanding you to breathe. You've been running probably too fast. Now it's time to take a break before you break. This is a polished flow. If you run in hasty, you are more likely to fall, because this is not a full stop. This is a semicolon. Some may call it a calling, but so calm down and stay fixated into the goal. This is not a full stop. This is a prose, for a poetry of inconveniences. This is a cause. At times you may feel like you are lost. It's part of the cause, of course. This is not a full stop. This is a question mark situated after the question at hand. What is your goal? This is not a full stop. This is a question mark situated after the question at hand. What is your goal? At times you may feel timid and feel flaccid and feel like you wanna fall false. Before you fall, go with the flow. It's part of the goal. Even if you flop, never mind, just go with the flow, because this is not a full stop. And consequently, you've got to get up and wash your face, because you've got some goal to score. You've got some goals to score, and you've got a journey to explore. I am Sams the Poet.
So ke wevayini ukuthi bamvu bayaphila yini ngaleti nkondlo takho, impilo tabo tiyashintsha yini, noma wena uyaqhubeka uthi cha mina ngidawuchubeka nje ngiba motivate, as long as ngadi ukuthi nangisho inkondlo le motivational ngiyathi ukuthi khwalo tawushintsheka impilo kwendeka kanjani, bayeta kuwe bamfu noma uve sebathi khulumela bodvana bathi cha impilo yami ishintshile ngenxa ya Sams the Poet, kuhamba kanjani lapho?
On that party, honestly, kube kuthiwa bekude umuntu bekathile ama poems ami ayamsipha, angibozi ngabe solo ngisa-recite, but ke most of the time mangisuke stage ngicisa reciter, kuba khona those few people labetako ke bathi yo ekusema wena naso ukhuluma kanjena ingazizwe so ukhuluma nathi straight nje vele uyasiqonza. Then that's the reason ke ngicubeka ngibhala, because vele akunenzayo ukuthi ngirecitela abantu mhlambe labang 100 but only 5 beta kimi banginete response. Though 5 to me means a lot. So vele I really care more about people than myself.
Okay. Tinkondlo takho ufise kufika kuphi nje nato?
So far ngisatitshele kakhulu ngala sikolweni, so the poetry is just part time nendlela yeku-relax nje for me, because vele emvasi kunukhonyana abantu ba-relax emzaweni ehlukeni, so nami poetry it's where I find comfort, it's where I relax. Kwanyalo nje ngisatitshele ukuthi cha ngidawubhala la ngithiwa sikase ngirecite mangasitholi futhi relax kunathi nxa sidown.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, ngophi nje umlayito lofise kusho kumbukele ekhaya lofisile kukusupport?
Lofisile kungisupporta sometimes I do post my videos ka TikTok ku Sam's the Poet. Yes. Naka Facebook ke kancane ke fan, but my video amaningi ma post la it's TikTok. So I could also say nalabanye labakhona wherever they are, if kukhona lokuhluphako, for me the best thing to reveal what my feelings is through the writings. So that's how I relieve myself from stress, because vele impilo it's a bit stressful. So now ngabe khona lokufako kuyasita lokukhuluma, and I think to ema poets lamanye lafana nasi lasakhula, le exposure to the different kinds of people ngiyo lemcwa ngiyo lesakha ukuthi ezikhamba isikhathi ukhona nawe ukuthi ube nesibinzi nje kumembi kwebantu, khona livalo litawuba khona always, but ke eventually you'll be fine.
Okay. Siseta ke kusibita utos motivator ngangivile ukuthi tinkondlo takho tikanjalo sikuthola kanjani ke Sams, na ukhumbule ukuthi nalabanye abamsebenzisa social media kanti bamdinga Sams the Poet?
Yes, ka Facebook kuna Sambulo Ngosi, then TikTok it's Sams the Poet, ka WhatsApp ngisebenzisa inombolo lethi 79768749, then MTN it's 76483587. Vele nyalo sengicethile ngibhale ama exams, so ngi free from tomorrow until July 4. So ngi free. This is the day I saw her beauty without any lotion. My heart as fast as it could, busy with the transportation. My brain felt like I was caught in some kind of a frenzy because I had no intention to be overwhelmed by such emotions. Thank God she noticed my obsession from my huge smile like that of glorification. I then said it out loud that her beauty needs no beautification as an option or addition to the Creator's creation of perfection. This is just a short introduction of how I made my distraction. Let me actually introduce myself to you fairly. I am not a poet nor a writer. I am a soul healer. Whenever you feel trapped, I will have you unsnared. I am not a poet nor a writer. I am a rescuer. Whenever you feel trapped, I promise I will have you unsnared. I am not a poet nor a writer. I just found a pen, chucked out the window and took it down and penned this down, and these came out judicious words of wisdom and your preference. My utterance is actually the prevalence of my appearance. I am not a poet nor a writer. I am Sams the Poet.
That is Sams the Poet. Ngithi bathi tijabule tinkondlo takhe wafunza lokho kumele ukuthathe kuye Sams the Poet. Ungabe sesothi wena mina vele tinkondlo tiyangihlula bahlala bakufundisana kangaka. Uvile mos uvele nje ushaya igama ubale kancane uthi 1 2 3 bese soyabuya ngaleyo tone yakho yabona mos. Mina nje sengiye sonkondla ngifunda bese sinithi njani. Sitawushiya Connect Market nasibuya sizochubana nalolu hlelo. Ungathi inyaka ngoba wathi inyaka utawushiyeka. Mbukela ihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo wende kahle wahlala phansi wathi cha mina namhla angiyinzawo ngibukela lona lihlelo leni ngoba wena ngiyathi ukuthi uyafuna kufunza ukuthi umsebenzi weTandla wendeka kanjani masathi labanye atiphilisa kanjani nangidzinga lokuthide ngingakuthola ngakuphi namhla ke sinenhlanhla ehlelweni sinagabisile lo wenda umsebenzi weTandla ngabo buhlalu ngiyathi uthi masada akuthanza kuvunula buke kabe mahle ngenje uzuvunule kuphela bese awusagaba gabi something gabisile kodwa silayela ukuthi yena wenda ini leni futhi leni choose buhlalu zisigabisile siyajabula kuba nawe ehlelweni ivusela umbukele ekhaya
ngibingelele babukeli beSwazi TV eSwatini I am Kapsile Dlamini make mabuza.
Okay Mshengu na ungachazela nje umbukele ukuthi nawuthi wena wenda umsebenzi weTandla hlobo luni lomsebenzi weTandla lo wendako
Umsebenzi weTandla lengwendako currently ngiwo emagcebesha sekwaba ke netinthambo teticholo lesisifaka buhlalu which are those ones but ke I can go further anything long ayidzinga ukuthi siyende buhlalu I can do it for you.
Okay now ungasibalela nje ukuthi yini emaswatata wathi ukuthi wo nangithi ngicela ligcebesha kugabisile naloku ngindawo khona ukuthi ngikuthole
I can do my handbags. You bring your own handbags. Ihlobise ngebuhlalu, maybe your shoes, your cushions, anything you would like ukuthi ibe nebuhlalu.
Okay, uqale nini ke kwenta lo msebenzi wakho?
Umsebenzi webuhlalu I started when just after COVID because we did not have work eSwatini, everyone was struggling here and there. Then I did not know I'll go this further. But ke ngathatha lethuba and spend some time with labanye bomake laba wendako umsebenzi weTandla kaManzini. That is when I started 2022.
Okay. Lokusho ukuthi watinika isikhathi wahamba wayofunza noma bo spend isikhathi esiningi endlini utifundzisa bese soyaya uyobuta uthi lokulengwendile ngwende kahle yini?
Ngoba kude lebe ngwadi ngalobuhlalu bengisuka ekhaya and go to them ngiyofunza. Okay. Wanted to see even lokulaba kwendile lengingakwadi so and ngase ke ngiba curious to know further ngifunze nje info letiningi lebe ngingatadi letinsha lebuhlalu.
Okay kwakuthatha isikhathi esinganani nje kufunza wagcine nawe sokhona kutendela ligcebesha lakho uwedvana uphume nalo libe right ngabe seselahla lobunye ebuhlalu seliyaqala liyachacheka?
Okay ligcebesha it took me a week because uyenda wende kuyachachwa ke labuhlalwini because na ungakanaki nje kahle mostly we do the counting na ungakakhona kubala kahle uyahamba uhambe na uthuthu uyafika somewhere ngiyabekisa nje kufuna uthathe 5 so fake 6 then you have to undo yonke le process uqalele phansi so kuyathingeka kubala kakhulu ebuhlalwini ingcondo yakho yonke kufuna ibe la kulolo kwendako na ufika nje sisifortunate ul customer lami ngiyazama ukuthi ngikukhombisele kukhona but if you have a picture a clear one yalo lokufunwa nguwe it's okay ngiyakhona kukwendela kopha ke kuyendeka lo munye athi mina ngithanzenali kanti litase lihamba kakhulu liyakhwesha kuleli hi sibese siyahlala phansi siyabonisana naye sivumelane but if achubeka athi ngendelele lengicelako it's okay ngicubeka naye.
Okay na ungendela leligcebesha nemacakala uyangendela mos?
Yes ngiyawenda.
Okay kuthatha isikhathi esinganani ke kwenta ligcebesha ngiyabona kunalahlukile kunaleli lihamba ngawuthi lisingile bese sekuba nalawala bana 2 wema shapes kuthatha isikhathi esinganani nje?
For the single ahlukene kuna I think uyabona sisfortunate ukuthi kunaleli nala kulobuhlalu lobukhulu bese liba nalo then bese sekuba nalele buhlalu lomncane all over. For this one it's less than a day because kulula la lobuhlalu lobu nje uyabholela utfunga la kuphela.
Okay
it's less than a day and this one takes just a day if vele concentrate tekilo lova lelithatha isikhashanyana a day plus kuba ngileli because buhlalu all over.
Okay
yes
lokusho ukuthi ungakhona kwendela a group of people liviki linye?
Yes ngingakhona kwendela a group for example nanga nje I 10 in total bengwendele labanye labe baye eMthimbeni It took me 2 weeks only kuwenda ngwacethe.
Okay. Utati buta ke lo munye Kapsile ukuthi Kapsile uhluke ngani kulala abanye labawendako emagcebesha?
Kude lokuhlukile kangako sis Fortunate. But ke it depends on you ukuthi who do you choose. Njengoba tolo nasedolobheni titineng kuba kuwe ukuthi ngiyangena la angeni la, so anyone that would like to come to us, anyone that would like to go to a market. So I cannot say I have special people coming to me. Anyone that would love to. Mhlawumbe nalabo ke labangati go personally. They can decide, yes.
Alright, bese kufundzisa labanye ngoba nawe waya kubomake bakusida wafunza na unyalo yatiphilisa ngawe magcibesha ofisile yini wena kubafundzisa labanye noma soqalile yini kubafundzisa labanye ukuthi nabo bangalambi phela bakhona ukutiphilisa?
Bekusede sis Fortunately ngimfundzisile, but angeke sengibe nenkinga na ungeda ucele ukuthi sihlale phansi sifundisane licebesha noma lokho lofuna ukufunza ngebuhlalo. Angiboni ukuthi ngingaba nenkinga.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, labanye ke bayaye ngiyathi ukuthi eMaswati abamfula basupportanawo futhi labafisile ukuthi nindlondlobale kulo umsebenzi lenwendako. Yini lo ofise ukuthi bakusite ngayo? Usachubeka wenda lo msebenzi ngivile ukuthi awukafisi igcina ngekwenda emagcebesha kuphela. Ufisile nekwenda letinye tindlu. Yini labangakusita ngayo?
Okay, ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngalanga kithi kusedele ngeke ngambona kwenda. Mhlawumbe nasingaba nayo i-marketplace around. Mhlawumbe singa-challenge even the youth ukuthi itesto ifundzisa umsebenzi wetandla, because I might not be the only one doing umsebenzi wetandla. Mhlawumbe ukhona lo mnye make lo wenda something but nayo kwenda ekhaya nalo mnye kwenda ekhaya. If we can have a marketplace la singahlangana khona sonke sibe umsebenzi wetandla wasengculwini bese lofuna ukufunza uyasonzela siyamfundzisa kutengi.
Okay. Lo munye utata ibuta ukuthi Kapsile waqala after COVID na unyalo solo yachubeka ngiyamuva sobala nema handbags lana ebuhlalu. Yini wena lena lekwenda ukuthi uchubeke onke lamalanga wende lo msebenzi wakho wetandla? Sitawukhona kusitana nangilosekhaya losaqalile kuwenda umsebenzi wakhe, but incenye usaba ke yena nalokukhokha ukuthi ayothengisa abamfu bami support.
Okay, sis Fortunate. Emalanga akafanani. Other days are okay, lamanye vele kuba mnyamanyana, but lokho akusho ukuthi bese uya give up. Like 2 or 3 weeks ago bengakhona ngisho kulala, benginele order lelukhulu kakhulu and bengasiwo lamacebesha la simple kanjena. Khona namacebesha lamasha bengingakayi nasemaganweni bathi bekafakwe emaganweni anema net la bese kuba lecebesha la, so khona bebawa odile, so kutimisela nje nekubeketela ikakhulu kade, because ungahlala sometimes inyanga yonke udele order but akusho ukuthi angeke usaba nalo order. So uthi ngakubeketela mhlawumbe ngalesikhathi udele order uyahlanganisa lobo buhlalo lobunabo, you come up with something uyayibeka lapha. Ngendeka sis Fortunate nakafika athi uyalihawukela ngani wena wala khanje walibeka leceleni bese soyafika sis Fortunate uyalithenga, imarket iyahamba kanjalo kubeketela nje lokumcoko.
Okay. Na bakusupporta ke batakutfola kanjani Kapsile ngoba ngifisile ukubona ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga nasibuta uthi awulitafula lami nje nathi naniphuma la sala le empty bakutfola kanjani?
Okay, ngiyatfolakala cell phone number yami 7619 6752, then ngina Swazi mobile 7926 8450. Ngikhona ka Facebook and akhona la khona emagcebesha on my Facebook account Kapsile Kwala. Then ngikhona na ka WhatsApp with the 7619.
Mbukela lihlelo tandla lenkundla sihlishwa ngiso sikhathi. Kepha-ke ibe sikhathi sona besizivumela thina besitawuchubeka nje. Sikunikete tona tinkondlo letitsandzako sikufundise wena umsebenzi wetandla ngoba ngiyathi ukuthi wena awufuni nani kusalela emuva na ufisile ukuthi kube khona lokho lotiphilisa ngako. Nanomfana nakho ungesabi ukuthi uchubeke umgcugcutele ukuthi wena sisi umsebenzi wetandla angeke nje aze aphathamiseke esikoleni. Batimisela themba mina. Sitabonana ngembukeli eviki lelitawo ngaso isikhathi esifana. Goodbye and God bless.